Hey guys, it's Alex and it's a vlog week. So today I'm going to go shopping with Angel to find my best friend a present for her birthday, which is on Sunday. Well, her birthday's not on Sunday, it was a few months ago, but her party's on Sunday. So that's what I'm going to do today. Excuse this eye, if you can tell. It's I don't know, it's really like red and sore and kind of swollen up here. Probably shouldn't wear makeup, but I wasn't wearing makeup when it happened, so I think it's not my makeup, but my eye being retarded. So hopefully it's just going away and just being a pain and not something really serious. Okay, so I will talk to you later. Hello. Aren't you handsome? You can be a cat model. You're too lazy to be a cat model. So I'm wearing this scarf snood thing because I'm pretty sure my foundation does not match my neck. Typical white girl problem. So, I don't know. Does it match the rest of my outfit though? That's the question. I'm walking to the bus stop. There's a dog barking at me and I really hope no one can see me. I had to take the scarf off because it's too warm outside and I feel like I look like more of a freak than I already do. So I'm pretty sure my foundation does match. Hopefully.
Thank you. You'll have a good day.
What you doing? What do you think I'm doing? Candles, of course. Why am I just pulling out all the vanilla ones? I don't know. I've made a total use of them. At least you haven't dropped any. Seagull. Other seagull. You're fucking terrifying. Oh, there's one flying. Oh my god. I don't know why he's so close. Fuck off. Oh, sorry, thank you. He closed the door on me. He didn't know I was getting out. The lady pressed the button before me, so I couldn't record it. People live behind you. People live next to you is so annoying. One of the dog will bark at me this time. Oh fuck, there's a car coming. Oh my god, there's a kitty cat. Oh fuck, it's the other dog this time. See a package in the mailbox. I am currently carrying far too much. My headphone is like stuck. Oh my god, this is not working. The struggle is real right now. So let's do an unboxing of my new, I know what it is, but you don't know what it is. Okay, it's gonna be bubble wrapped it very well. This is what I got. I got the LA Splash Cosmetics Smitten Lip Tint in Ghoulish. It's definitely like a brownie, so it is in the tube. It tastes really bad. I'm kind of disappointed. I kind of don't like it. It's really matte, like really. You put like a gloss over top. I want to see what that looks like. I think I like that a bit better. I don't know, I'll wear it for the rest of the day and see what I think of it, I guess. But it tastes though, oh. I just filmed a video about everything I got for my friend who is a uni student living away from home. So you want to check that out on my main channel, mine and just main channel. It won't be up for a while, but I'll leave the main channel link down below so you can find it when it is up. By the way, I like to think of myself as a fairly good rapper. It's the thought that counts, not how good it looks. Bam. What is it? You don't know. Probably because it's so horribly wrapped, that's why you don't know. I have now wrapped all of my friends' presents and used nearly all of my mom's wrapping paper. This was like full. And now, I pretty much used it all. She may go psycho at me. Okay, so now I'm going to do something a bit artsy. And so I bought this skull glass jar today. And I'm going to fill it with water and add some sparkles to it. And Angel told me if you add glycerin, then it goes like a snow globe kind of thing. So that is what I'm going to do. And I'm thinking about using the silver and purple sparkles in it. And I'm thinking also I might put food coloring in the water to make the water colorful. But I'm not entirely sure. So we'll see. And I like how it has like a little cork that come out too. That's kind of cool. And hi, Tiddles. That's it with just the water in it. Now I'm gonna add the glycerin. I don't know how much to actually add. So it's pretty big. Maybe that's enough. It does look at the bottom of anything long enough. Shit. These are also really cute. Like this little bottles. Okay, so now I hit that. Oh, there. Oh shit. Why is it all sticking? Angel! Now I'm adding the purple. Oh, why it's clumping up here. Fuck off. So that's what it looks like right now. I'm gonna add a bit of red food coloring. Just to see if that, I don't know, see what that does. A little bit. Oh shit. Oh no. Well, now it kind of looks like a bloody skull. God damn it. Oh well. I still like it. There's still sparkles in it. That is Alex's crash show today.